To see everything you want to see in London, you'll need transportation. And to use London public transport, you're gonna need an Oyster Card. Here I'll go over step by step how to get one on Travel Tricks. Just before we get started, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, you need to click the second button at the bottom of the screen. It will read, Get New Cards. The screen will be preset to one Oyster card. If you need more or less cards, you can use the plus and minus buttons to change the number that you need. When you are ready, click the Continue button. Next, you pick the amount of money you want to put on the card. You're also buying the card, and the card is worth £7. The machine gives me options to pay, with an arrow to show where I can submit payment. Now you can put your money into the machine and allow the transaction to process. Your Oyster card with money intact will come down the bottom tray, as well as your change back. Now your Oyster card is ready. To get comfortable getting an Oyster card in London, keep watching this video and subscribe to watch other helpful tricks for traveling on Travel Tricks. Thank you.